You guys remember seeing this 2017 Explorer a couple weeks ago that I put a hitch in, class 3 hitch, and then they finally got me the trailer harness adapter kit. The Ford part number for the kit is BB5Z 15 Apple 416A, and then my boss actually ordered this off Amazon. It's a 4 flat to 7 connector mounting bracket made in China. And I installed it over here, and it adapts to the 4-pin right there. And then here's the harness. I'm in here trimming everything up. I've got it tucked away and a little bit coiled up right here, so if he needs to remove that, he could actually pull it back through this area right here and connect a different style trailer as well. So if he needed to disconnect the 7-pin, he could pull it through there. So I left that little area loose, but to the point where it wouldn't fall out. Now I'm gonna trim all these extra pieces that I have zip tied up all the way around, and then it goes back into the factory mounting here. Basically, you take the cap off the factory mounting that goes to this from the body, and then you plug in your trailer adapter harness, and then you recap the other side of it, and then yeah, that's it. That's the trailer adapter installed. And then here's the connector installed. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys and update you in case any of you are putting this together and you're wondering what connector to use and where it's at. There it is. Thanks guys, be blessed.